Hi friends. I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. Sometime we use dodge and burn tool to retouch skin of our image. Select burn tool and start painting on image. And stroke on those areas we want to burn. Then select dodge tool and try to retouch image. It looks difficult task. Why not we use an easier way to retouch skin? Retouch skin with dodge and burn. We can do it in few clicks. And retouch skin of image through dodge and burn. Let's see how we can do in Photoshop. First, create levels adjustment layer. Move midtone slider to right. Or make value 0.7 for midtones. Select layer mask thumbnail. Press Ctrl+I to invert mask. Change the name of this layer to burn. Create another layer to levels adjustment. Move midtone slider to left side. Or make value 1.5 for midtones. Select an active layer mask thumbnail. Press Ctrl+I to invert mask. Select layer of burn and active mask. Pick soft round brush tool. Make sure foreground color is set to white. Start painting areas we want to burn. Keep painting on areas we need to burn. We don't need to precise. Need to give strokes on areas we want to burn. Dodge tool and the burn tool let you set right exposure, brightening, dodging, or darkening, burning, specific areas in your image. Actually, these edits are destructive in nature. Select above layer of levels adjustment. Rename this layer to dodge. Active layer mask thumbnail. Start painting on areas we want to dodge. Don't need to precise in painting. Just keep stroking on areas we want to dodge. When we satisfy with both dodge and burn strokes, active dodge layer and go to properties. Increase feather amount for this layer. You can increase feather according to your image. I increase amount to 50 pixels. Select layer for burn and active mask. Increase feather to 50 pixels. So here is image before and after. We retouched skin in few clicks. And we used dodge and burn method. Here is another image. I have retouched this image. Just watch before and after. This is third retouched image. You can see before and after. So here is the main image we were retouching. Again, look image before and after. This is an easier way for dodge and burn. I hope you like this technique. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.